So add the ackee to the pot. We're just gonna allow this to boil and cook. That's when we will remove it. As I said before, I'm gonna be taking a little bit of the water out of this now to kind of put on top of my rendering so it can soak away some of the salt but not take out all of the salt. Measuring your salt. I don't say, well, put a teaspoon of salt in there. I say gauge your salt. Remember that you can always add, but you cannot take it out. All right, so keep that in mind. Put in the salt, taste. If you want some more, you add some more. So a bit at a time until you get it. Because for me, I can just go ahead and add my salt without having any issues, but not everybody is that first. So basically, I did the rendering, and I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of, let me taste it again. Salt is adequate, so I'm gonna go ahead and work with that. Alright, so the flash gone. I'm gonna go for the ackee, add the ackee. But that is after we stir this and add away some of the salt, but not take out all of the salt.
This is the finished product of the ackee and rendering. I'm gonna do the plating for you guys as usual, but guys, can I tell you, I'm around the kitchen and my 3 children them reach on here. Them just walks into the kitchen. Kitchen smell nice. The food not done cook yet. That's when you know say the food ready. So this is the ackee, the rendering, the sweet pepper, the onion, the tomato, everything. The scotch bonnet pepper, a little black pepper, the little butter, the everything put together with the oil. And you know, cook down until you realize say then I go and simmer. Yeah, I'm gonna lock off the fire immediately because you basically want the ackee now to seep in the flavor of that rendering cook up, you know, and have that nice mellow taste. Everything just will come together in the plate, and when you drop it with a little white rice and a nice cup of cold juice.
It's okay. So it can soak away some of the salt but not take out all of the salt out of it.